student, today my topic is types of bonds. There are two types of bonds, electrovalent or ionic bond, and second one is covalent bond. Electrovalent and ionic bond is formed by donate or accept electron. Whether the atom is donate electron or accept electron, then they form electrovalent bond, and when they share the electron with each other, then they form covalent bond. This is the difference between two bonds. Now next is, they are divided into two categories. First one is bonds formed between atom in molecule, and second one is bonds formed between molecules in compounds. So first one is electrovalent bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond and metallic bond, and second one is van der Waals forces of attraction and hydrogen bond. These two bonds come under molecule in compound, and these four bonds come under atom in molecule. So the nature of bond formed depend upon electropositive and electronegative character. Whether the element is electropositive or electronegative, the nature is depend upon both of these. So first one, if the electropositive element combine with electronegative element, then the bond is ionic bond. When the electropositive element combine with electropositive element, the bond is metallic bond. When the electronegative element combined with electronegative element, then the bond is covalent bond. Now come to electrovalent or ionic bond. It is explained by Cossell. The bond formed by complete transfer of electron from one atom to another is known as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. For example, in potassium, the electronic configuration is 2881. The outermost or valence shell is have one electron, and in the chlorine, the electronic configuration is 287, and the outermost valence shell contains 7 electron in it. So, if the bond formation take place in between the two, they share they just donate this electron to chlorine fully, not share. So potassium donate its valence electron to the chlorine, and both have now octet. See, if it give its one electron, then it's become like this, and if it take one electron, it becomes like this. Both attain octet because 8 electrons are there in the outermost shell. So in this way, electrovalent bond take place where electron totally transfer to another element. Now next is MgCl2. Mg, we all know that electronic configuration is 282, that is atomic number is 12. According to this it has 282 electronic configuration. Again chlorine has 287 electronic configuration. Now the magnesium have 2 electron in its outermost shell, so it shared one electron with both the chlorine. Sorry, it transfer fully the electron to chlorine. So this transfer is known as electrovalent bond. Now types of bond, there are 4 types of bond. First is ion having electronic configuration similar to inert gas, that is 1A, 2A, 3A, 5A, 6A and 7A element involved in this type of bond. Now it is of 2 types. First is ion having 1s2 electronic configuration, like He is inert, hydride, lithium, beryllium. These type of elements come under 1s2 types of ions. And the next is ions having ns2 and np6 electronic configuration, like Na, K, Rb, Mg, Ca, Al. In negative charge, they have chlorine, fluorine, oxygen and nitride. So these are the example of ions having ns2, np6. Now next is ions having pseudo means false inert gas configuration, like these are come under D block element, and the electronic configuration is of these elements are ns2, np6 and D10. For example, Au means gold, copper, zinc, mercury, cadmium. Now next is Ions having NS2 electronic configuration, 13, 14, 15 group come under this. The example are tin, lead and bismuth. Fourth one is some specific electronic configuration. It is of two types. First is ion having incomplete d orbital and ions having half filled d orbital. So the example of incomplete d orbital is vanadium, chromium and iron with two valency. Here iron with 3 valency and manganese is the example of ions having half filled d orbital. Now fifth one is polyatomic ions. These ions consist of more than one atom which are linked together by covalent bond. For example, this ammonium. Ammonia is NH3 but it has one more atom, that is NH4. NO2, NO3, these all are come under polyatomic because it has more than one atom. These are molecules, these have 3 atoms, these have 2 atoms and these are also 2 atoms. So these are polyatomic. Now bond-Haber cycle. During the formation of ionic bond, energy is released. When the ionic bond form, energy get evolved, that is exothermic, proposed by Max Born or Haber. This cycle explains changes taking place in the energies during the formation of ionic bond and amount of total energy released in bond. Now formation can also determine. This formation is called heat of formation. So the greater the heat of formation, greater is the strength of bond. When the energy evolve is greater, then the bond is also very strong. The cycle based on Hess law. Following steps, Hess law is what? Whether the reaction take place in one step or several steps, the quantity of heat evolved is same. Following steps used in formation of compound from element. First is atom of solid state or liquid state element convert into gaseous state. When the bond form, then the atom of solid state and liquid state firstly changes into gaseous state. Now the gaseous atom gives or take electron to convert into ions. Gas is converted into ion. Firstly solid or liquid changes into gas, gas is converted into ions. Now these ions attract each other to form bond. Now bond is formed by ions. Now for example, NaCl is solid Na have solid Na and gaseous Cl2. Now this is the bond-Haber cycle. This is the when Na is solid and Cl is liquid, then Hs is heat of sublimation. Sublimation is what? When the solid direct changes into gas. So here solid of Na direct changes into gas, and chlorine is also in the gaseous form. Now it is the dissociation, heat of dissociation, because the chlorine molecule is half, that is why it is divided by 2. Now the Na just form ions by having ionization energy. The ionization energy is what? To deduct the electron from the atom. When the electron depart from the atom changes into ion. And here the chlorine have electron affinity to change into ion, because gas if have the ions, then it has changed its state. Electron affinity means to add the electron. Now here Na again releases energy, evolve energy, that is it is the El is the lattice energy, and again it becomes a solid NaCl. Both of them become a solid NaCl, and it is in the cyclic form. Here direct the Na and Cl form solid NaCl. This reaction take place in the C. So minus U is means decrease in energy and bond is formed. When U is minus, then bond is formed between two ions, and when U is plus, that means energy is plus in the plus form, then bond do not form. So my question is for today, what is the type of bond and bond-Haber cycle? Thank you.